27, Law of Attraction Workshop. Day 27 is the gift of wisdom. Now, we'll talk about this one briefly because it's such a vast topic that we could spend an hour here. But wisdom is the ability to use knowledge. Say after me, wisdom is the ability to use knowledge. So you have gained knowledge of the law of attraction by studying with me. You have gained insight into the law of creation, the law of co-creation, because the law of attraction is one of the ways that we work with God. See, scripture says we are to think good thoughts. Well, God thinks good thoughts. We are to think the thoughts of God. His thoughts are higher. So when you start thinking good thoughts, whether you call it the law of attraction or not, you're going to attract good because you're acting like God. You're thinking like God. Do you see that? So positive thinking is biblical. Now, when you start operating in that, well, first of all, you got this knowledge. Now you need wisdom, which is the ability to act, the ability to act on the knowledge, the ability to use knowledge. Knowledge is not enough for success. In fact, you must understand what you know. Scripture speaks of the word being sown and people didn't understand it, and then the enemy came and took it away. See, whatever you don't understand, the enemy will steal. Remember, we talked about the law of opposites, and we're not trying to get heavy and deep, but I'm just telling you, in life, you've got to learn to overcome the opposites. And this is why you need this gift of wisdom. Now, there are a couple of things here, and I could say a lot about this again. This is a deep topic. But one thing is wisdom causes you to not judge by appearances. See, things are not, they're never as they appear to be. In fact, the Indians have a word called Maya. The world they say is Maya, which is an illusion. Now, there's truth to that because many times the illusion appears to bring confusion to you. Okay, you're affirming prosperity. I am rich. I am abundantly supplied. I am a millionaire. Well, the illusion appears when you're walking across the backyard and you step in a hole and you break your ankle and you can't go to work for 3 weeks or so. And they tell you what the adjustment of the pay is because you're not working. Now, all of a sudden, you say, I was saying I'm rich, and look at what happened. That's why I'm going to stay away from this stuff. Well, now it takes the wisdom of not judging by appearance, because it appears that you are failing. But when it appears that you are failing, when the storm comes, stand up and speak, peace be still. Don't judge by appearance. The disciples were going by the storm. The master was going by peace within. This is why knowing is so important. So the gift of wisdom means that you learn through the law of wisdom that there's always a higher truth. There's always lower truth and higher truth. You learn to operate by higher truth. Well, faith is higher truth. Hope is higher truth. Love is higher truth. Positive energy is higher truth. The gift of wisdom.